Hello traders, this is Jay from daytradingsupport.net. I wanted to show my trade, my one trade for this morning. I simply did a one and done. So it shows here, looks like we started getting some activity. And, it was pretty solid for a lot of the morning. As far as volume, I happened to notice around 7 about 7:55 on the 1 minute chart that we really started picking up some steam. I'll show you that. So you can see right about here we had some big amounts of consistent volume. So that's when I got interested in placing a trade, and it dropped down, faked out a lot of people, kind of caught up in this bear trap, and then it came back in. I drew a line kind of this consolidation area, as you can see, and when the volume started taking it down and then back up into that consolidation area, that's when I started getting interested. So it broke slightly out of that area, came back in. So that was the decision. Either we were going to go down and continue, break back through this consolidation area, break down, test these lows, or we were going to reject as we came in, reject, and then test the top end, break through. So with that anticipation, I placed my order right here. So I got in right there. I had an order waiting, and so let me straighten that out here so I can kind of put the level that I was at. So I had the order long waiting right here above that above this pivot here. So as soon as it came up, started to get close, it tested it in. I took a little bit of heat, had my stop right below this area, so I kept it below the previous range bar. So it came close to stopping me out, but then it held and it broke to the upside and it got me out. I got out a little premature. As I moved my stop up, just to lock me in, I moved my stop up right about here, and it already, I'm sorry, I brought my stop up +1. So break even +1, I had my stop, and it already thundered through and filled my target. So I was a little disappointed because what I wanted to do was I was holding my stop, and I was going to put the stop at +1, and then jump up and grab the target and pull the target higher so I could follow the stop incrementally. But it didn't even give me a chance to do that. It filled me for 10 ticks. And that was it. So I'm not interested in doing any more for the day. Some people might want to trade further, and that's up to them. But sometimes just having 10 ticks under the belt is good enough for me. Come back at it tomorrow with a fresh set of eyes. I was only in the market, actually watching the market for, let's see, it's 8:06. So I don't think I was stalking and actually in the market for 10 minutes. And I'm already done for the day, so that was really nice. Um, yeah, if maybe I'll watch it, and maybe later on it'll do something, and you never know, maybe I'll take a trade. But as far as I'm concerned now, I'm just going to wrap it up and do some other things. I'm going to be releasing some more videos talking about some of the challenges in trading and some of the trials and pitfalls that I've went through, and some of my associates, and hopefully we can talk more on those videos coming up. Okay, I hope that helps. Take care.